Yeah, I
Yeah.
already opened it.
Well, look at you.
I already answered them all. Bye, guys. No.
Oh gosh, no, stay.
All right.
And this test doesn't open until next Tuesday, which I think is kind of dumb.
I know.
Yeah.
I
Because
opened like
it's
now.
well, it's given me all this time to forget the stuff because I did it like on Tuesday this week.
Well, if it makes you feel better, you can like refresh yourself and teach me everything all at the same time.
But then I'll still forget it over the weekend.
That's true. Yeah. All right, number
Well,
2.
we could just take it together. What? Just kidding.
Yeah. We'll get it on Google Hangouts during our test. Just don't post it.
Don't record it. No.
All right, quantitative.
So quantitative deals with numbers.
Yep.
I put A and B.
Nope.
No.
I think it's just
A.
I think it's just A, yeah.
Is it just A?
This was one I initially missed, way back in lesson 1 or whatever.
Yeah, I think it's just A as well.
Yeah,
Why
it
wouldn't
is.
it be B? Because it's talking about the brand of car, not.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was what I had put in lesson 1 was both of them.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Yeah. I went back and looked at a lot of my quizzes.
Oh, that's smart, actually.
I was like, I don't want to miss it again.
Okay. Number 3. I put D in observational study because the students had no control.
I put that one originally, and I actually missed it. It's
Yeah,
actually
it's C.
Is it C?
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, the first time I got that question, I put the one that you put, Steven, and then I looked back and I saw the mistake, I guess.
So they have no control over the price. That makes sense.
Yeah. Because technically they do have a control over which cereals are selected since they chose
It's
every
one.
every 6th. Yeah.
Okay. This is why I don't do well in my tests.
Yeah. This is why I went back and looked at all the questions.
Yeah. Are the rest of them like that? Because I got to 10, so are the rest of them from like our homework assignments?
Most of them are.
Okay.
Not all, but the majority.
Okay. Okay.
This one looked familiar, but I couldn't remember which one it was from.
Yeah, I realized halfway through that I should start writing the lessons that they came from. And yeah, so I didn't start doing that till like number 20.
Oh.
So I don't remember where it was from.
I do remember this one though. It's one of the beginning ones, like one of the first ones.
Yeah, because this test actually worked in order too.
Oh. Yeah, I see. That's going to be interesting to see which ones I get wrong then. Because I did okay at the beginning, sucked in the middle, and I've done okay at the end.
Oh, I did bad on the Unit 1 quizzes. This killed me.
Huh.
It's probably just because I didn't care enough to read the.
So 4, what did you get for 4?
Let's see, group notices. I have median will increase.
Yeah, well, I'm contemplating whether it will increase or if we have enough that we can determine without the full data set.
Which one? The median is the middle one, right?
Yeah.
It's the median of the
Yeah.
5-number summary.
Let's see.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm gonna see if I can find what quizzes some of these were on.
Yeah, I'm going to start looking too.
I like how we're gonna get 3% extra credit though. That's nice.
Huh?
I like how we're gonna get 3% extra credit though. That's nice.
Oh, I know.
Whichever one you want.
Okay, it's from lesson 3 homework.
And the verdict is?
The median will increase.
Nice. Good job.
Good job.
I'm gonna start writing these in as I go.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, median will increase.
So, kinda
What's the formula for 5? Or
There isn't one. She says using the 68, 95, 99 rule.
yeah.
So you know that the mean is 70 minutes, and 50 minutes is 2 standard deviations away from that.
So it'd be 95%.
It'd be the opposite of that. 5% would be your 2 tails, but only half of that number would be under 50, so it'd be 2.5%. Because your tails would be people who completed it in under 50 minutes and people who completed it in over 90 minutes for 2 standard deviations away.
You're right.
So you have to cut it in half because only half of that number will complete it in under 50.
So it's 2.5.
Yeah.
Huh.
So question, when you put it into the applet, you put your z-score as -2, right?
Yeah.
So then, and then you just have the left side tail.
Yeah.
So then, and then you times that by 100, because the number that they gave in the applet was.
They give you the area. Well, they give you what? 0.045?
Well, that's with both of them. Wait, let's go back.
Oh, so it's giving you 0.0228.
Yeah. So what?
It's more. That's more accurate, but you'll miss it. I missed that one originally on a quiz because of that.
Really?
Yeah, she said it was because it's specifically asking for the answer using the 68, 95, 99 rule.
Wow. Okay.
What lesson is that from?
I'm not sure which one that one's from. Let me look. But yeah, that's why she bolds approximately in that. Because yeah, I originally used the applet and I missed it and it was dumb.
Okay. We'll go with that.
It is lesson. It's lesson 5, question 1 in the homework. And yeah, I originally put 2.3% or whatever it rounds off to, and I got it wrong.
Oh.
So yeah, it's 2.5 using the rule.
Okay. Cool.
It's like the exact same question.
What one?
Number 1 from the homework.
Well, the majority of these are the exact same questions from homework quizzes.
Did you get number 6 right from the homework?
I'll have to go look.
It was, I think it was lesson 3, question 10. I missed it. And then I saw if my wife did it too, and she missed it too. So it's like, dang.
It's less than 5, question 10. Yeah, I got it.
Less than 5, question 10. All right.
Wait, lesson 5, question 10?
Is what number 6 is.
What
Yeah.
was it?
What's the answer?
If you got it right. I mean, I got 2 different answers. I can't decide.
It's 146.8.
All right, that was my second answer.
146.
So what you have to do, yeah, 146.8. So you take the z-score formula, z equals x minus mu over sigma,
Yep.
and you have all the variables except for x, so you have to isolate x.
Okay. Yeah. It was just I think I had 2 different answers because when I plugged it into my applet, I had the wrong section highlighted. So when I put it in as the 0.35 as the area, it gave me a different z-score.
Oh, okay. Because you plug that in to get your z-score.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So the z-score should be
0.35.
0.385.
Negative 0.385.
Right. Right.
Because that's the lower half.
Okay.
And then yeah, they give you mu and sigma.
Yep. Then you have it the reverse way.
And where does the 35th percentile come in? Like, how does that go into the equation again?
You have to use the normal probability applet, and
Oh.
that'll be the area on the top. So you put the area in to get your z-score.
And then it will be the left tail?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
What did you put in for the area?
0.35. Because they're asking for 35th percentile.
Oh, okay. And then, okay. And then you solve for x.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I got 3 slides. Yeah. Did we already say 7?
No. Did you guys finish 6 yet?
No. Yeah, I did 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so 7, since it's not a big enough sample size, it's skewed right, correct?
Yeah. Yeah, it's skewed right, but I think it's a retarded question, because how would you make a bell curve off of 2 units?
Right?
2 samples. You have a dot and a dot.
That could be a linear.
Yeah. But yeah, it's skewed right, because it's less than 30.
Okay. Alright. These is where I started getting unsure, especially with the z-score. Which equation to use with the z-score. You use the one
for
that has
number.
you use the one that has the standard deviation over the square root of the sample.
Yeah, I used that one on this.
Okay.
So z equals x minus mu over sigma divided by the square root of n.
Okay. I think, was the review wrong? Because I thought the review restated, or maybe I just read the review wrong. Yeah, the review, like before you open the quiz, didn't say 20 tanks of 8,544, which is the exact same as mu, so your z-score would be 0.
That's not what's happening though. You're talking for number 8.
Yeah, well, like number 8, it has the 20 tanks of 8,550, which would not give you a 0 z-score.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, was there an error? Did you see that error, or did I just copy it down wrong? I don't know. It doesn't really make sense, or it makes sense now that the question that I'm looking at, because the question I was looking at before was.
I think you probably just copied it down wrong.
Okay.
You're saying right here where it says find the z-score corresponding to a sample mean for 20 tanks of 8550.
Yeah.
And it said 8544 on the other one.
Yeah.
It's the other way. It's had to have been wrong on the review is what I'm going to say, but technically she can write it that way and it'd be right still.
Okay.
You'd just get a negative z-score of the same thing. It's weird. But yeah, it makes more sense this way anyway, so.
Okay.
And like on these, I got 8 right initially, but I missed 9 initially, so I'm not sure on 9.
So did you get 2.236?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. What's probably the mean? So we times these.
Minus 4 divided by 12 divided by the square root of 15.
And we want greater than negative 2.3.
Right. 8544.
What did you get for the for your probability, Tanner?
For 9, 0.932.
I got 0.991. That's different. It wanted greater than, right?
Yeah, what'd you use your z-score?
Negative 2.357.
Yeah, I'm looking at what I did right here, because that's what I'm getting when I rework it. So you have 8540 minus 8544 on the top, right?
Yep.
Divided by 12 over the square root of 50.
Yep.
I think I accidentally put an 8550. Is what happened.
Okay.
So negative 2.357.
I got negative 0.818.
So for the z-score, I got negative 2.357, and then you put the z-score in the applet, and then that will give you want greater than. So you want the middle section and the far right tail highlighted.
Yeah, I get 0.991.
991, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Which my initial one was way wrong anyways, because I had over 100%, so.
Oh, disobeying one of the 3 rules of probability, son.
No, I think what happened on it was I put the z-score in. Is the
Yeah.
answer.
That makes sense too. Steven, that makes sense?
No.
Okay, so first thing you want to do, you just set up the equation for the z-score, which is the 8540 minus your mu,
Uh-huh.
8544 over the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size.
Okay. I have that formula.
Okay,
And then
and so you should get negative 2.357 as your z-score.
yeah. Yes, I
And
did.
then you put that. So since the question states what's the probability that they'll be greater than the 8540,
Uh-huh.
you put your negative z-score in, and then you highlight the middle and the far right, because we want everything that's greater.
That would be 0.991.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, and then 10 was from a homework assignment. Take it, it's A.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Probability of a type 1 error.
Yep. We've had this question 3 or 4 times now, actually.
Yeah.
I am starting to get this one and the p-value mixed up now, because we get the p-value one too.
Better
Yeah.
put that on your cheat sheet so you won't.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think we get a cheat sheet, right?
Yeah.
Probably do.
Yeah, it's the same as all the other tests.
Can you guys still hear fine? Is that fan bothering the audio?
Nah.
I think so, no.
Sorta?
No.
Okay.
All right, number 11.
Right. 11, I got B and C.
That's what I got also.
I got B, but I wasn't sure about this C. Why is that? It sounds a little repetitive. Oh wait, the true mean height. I recognize that. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, so you can take out A because it says chance.
Yeah.
It says a swear word, so get rid of that.
Right.
And then B is the easiest one of them.
Right.
Notice that one. And then C it's basically stating the same thing as B.
Gotcha. Okay.
But then D, that's talking about all of the heights, which is, you're not going to be able to tell that with a confidence interval.
Okay.
D It doesn't say the true mean.
Right. Okay.
That's totally fine.
Alrighty. That's as far as I got, so let's see. Okay.
Now, is the sample size not because it's smaller than 30, right? For number 12?
Yeah, but we know it's a random sample,
So what does it change?
and we know it's a normal distribution.
Oh.
So the distribution of sample means is normal because the data is normal.
Oh, gotcha. Ooh, tricky. Okay.
You don't have to have a large enough one if it meets those two requirements.
I totally forgot about that. You probably saved
Yeah.
on my test for me. Thank you.
The statistical test sheet is really useful, I feel like. The flow chart.
Oh.
That's pretty much what I'm going to use, I think. Because I wrote stuff like that down in the details part of it.
Huh.
Let's see.
Alright, that's for sure. Do I have to read that whole thing?
For 13?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you have to open a data file. It's like what?
Dang it.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna riot.
I'm not taking the test now.
I wish.
So when
This
do
one
we
right-
do our group evaluations once we turn everything in?
Yeah, we probably shouldn't turn it in until after our
Right.
group stuff's been turned in.
Yeah.
I'll be submitting my the presentation just as soon as I get Grant's information for the inference and take action. Are you combining those two? Are you submitting them at the same time? Are they the same thing? I can't remember.
Yeah, they're combined for the online class.
Same thing. I'll do it tomorrow morning, most likely, since I just got back.
No, I want it
And
now.
since it's due Saturday.
Yeah.
Just do it before Saturday.
I'll get it to you a day in advance. How about that?
Yeah, I'll
not
try to get
kidding.
it done and
Tanner would have had it done if he was doing the whole thing.
We would have already had evaluations by then.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Known population, suppose I remember.
That's okay. I got a physics for finals week, so.
Ugh.
I said that in the course evaluation that they need to make sure that they have all the data files attached.
Oh, I totally forgot about opening that up.
Yeah, seriously.
It's
Course
really-
evaluation, I was like, they just need to rework all the quizzes and the book. And
I hate this book so bad. I have like 3 inches of paper that I printed out. I was like, I might as well have bought a book. And then I wouldn't have had to print stuff out. Okay, sorry, I'm still pulling.
Okay, in the book. Oh, okay, never mind. Forget I just started talking there.
It's forgotten.
Okay. I was like, where do you find the data files if they don't show you the link? And then I saw it to the left.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay.
Options. 95%. Oh wait, I did that wrong. Okay. No.
Do you just put this into the one sample t-test? Is that what this
Yeah,
is?
but make sure you put your test value in as 0.95.
Right.
I missed the sample t-test stuff so much because I forgot to put the test value in. Killed me.
Which is what? The .05?
0.95.
Oh, 0.95.
It says there's a known population mean return of 0.95. It comes from the data in the question.
Do you guys get 0.039?
Is this one that we have to divide the p-value
Yeah,
in half?
it's 0.016.
Oh, it's that divided by 2.
Wait,
Why is it divided by 2? Suppose that you remember.
because I say doing worse.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, it's 0.019 or 0.020. I don't know.
Worse.
So what are we putting for it?
0.01. Or is it 0.020?
It's probably 0.020.
I'll do that.
0.020.
I don't know why I originally put 0.16. Probably just write it upside down or something.
Wait. Wait, so what was yours?
0.039 is the two tail, but you gotta cut it in half. Is that not what you're getting?
I'm trying to rush through it, so I'm probably making mistakes. So you just did the one sample t-test, 95%?
Yeah.
Okay. Null hypothesis is the 0.95,
Yeah.
and then it's not equal to. Or is it less
Well,
than?
It's less than.
Okay. So 0.019.
Is that what the Excel sheet's giving you?
Yeah.
Okay, because this one gives you a round up to 0.020, but yeah.
Okay.
Wait, are you using that Excel sheet?
Always.
Well, I mean like the one that like we all have to use.
That I also said that in the evaluation because it never seems like it's sure which one that we use. Do we use Excel or do we use SPSS? Because both numbers are slightly off. I've always used the Excel sheet on the exams, like other than when it forces me to make a graph or something that I can't really do with the Excel sheet. Then I go to SPSS.
That's
Yeah.
gotta be kind of annoying. I don't know. That would annoy me.
Yeah, they just need to include one or the other, and not both.
What was that sheet even called?
The one that I am using, it's the quantitative inference procedures.
Okay. Okay. So we're on 14?
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
Is it A?
She got delivery of the thing yet?
I'm guessing it's
I
D.
I get D.
I get D.
Because you can't pick spouses separately.
Oh.
You can't pair one person's husband to another person's wife. It wouldn't make sense.
Oh. So it is dependent then.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the spouse depends on the husband, or the spouse depends on the other spouse.
You're on a mic.
The next one we have to pull up direct flight costs.
Why would
Yeah. And this one is a two sample. Let's see. So two standard dependent.
It's a what?
Is it an independent samples or a paired samples?
Let me see. I think independent.
I feel like we had this question.
Oh yeah, I feel like we're the same one.
I just
We
don't
did
remember.
at some point. Yeah. Let's see. 95%.
But she's looking at 2 flights, 2 different days. So
It's got to be dependent.
So her second sample. Determine if there's a difference in the price listed 90 days. So yeah, if she's using the same destination then that, but she's using it at a later time, it's still the same
Yeah.
flight. So then that would have to be dependent.
And the other giveaway is when you're trying to make the test, you don't have a grouping variable if you try to make it as an independent sample.
well,
So then is it just like the first one is the variable 1 and the second one is the variable 2? You don't have to change
Yeah.
the order.
Order shouldn't matter.
Well, if it's dependent, then it matters which way you're minusing, right? The difference.
Oh yeah, but it'll just give you opposite t-test.
Okay, so the p-value will be the same?
Yeah.
What lesson is this one from? Do you guys
13.
remember? 13.
Wait, maybe. Yeah, it's 13.
Okay.
Yeah, I just did them in that order, Grant.
Okay.
What does happen if I do it the other order?
So is it just not equal to then as the type of test?
Yeah.
Did
She
you
wasn't.
Did you get 0.096?
Yep.
Yay.
Let's see. I want to see what happens if I do it the other way. Yeah, it just gives significance, or the same p-values.
Based on the results. So it is more than 0.05.
So, C.
Gracias.
Right.
C?
no.
For 16, yeah, because the p-value is greater than the level significance. So such a long review.
There's
You know.
more. Well, up and back.
Is it B because the QQ plot forms a straight line?
Yep.
Okay.
These are independent, correct?
Which ones?
Yeah.
18.
Yeah, this is an independent sample.
I don't know. I need to go back and look.
Well, so they take 10 homes from one company and then they take 10 homes from the other company. So the second sample doesn't really, it's not affected by the first one,
That is correct.
from what I understand. So then is it just,
Grant.
yeah. Yeah, can you hear me?
Let me see. Yeah.
Okay.
Nope. That's what I originally put, and missed it. It's lesson 14.
So, wait. So it's an ANOVA one?
No, it's a dependent samples.
Okay. That's less than
Which number are you guys on?
18.
Oh, okay.
Grant. And it's wrong, apparently. I'm
Um,
trying to figure out why the.
would it be A?
No, that's what we're saying. That's wrong.
Huh.
Oh.
So if they're dependent, then it's the null is equal to 0, and then it's
Yeah, so it's C, like what I was saying. I'm trying to figure out why it is though.
Did you
It's-
find that exact question from one of the homeworks?
Yep, it's number 7 on lesson 14 homework.
And it's D?
No, it's C.
Oh, C. I was going to say, that sounds backwards.
Well, Grant, they're appraising the same homes.
Oh, okay.
The question's not clear, is what it is. So they pick a random sample of 10 homes, but those 10 homes are being appraised by both companies, rather than each company doing 10 separate homes, is what it looks like.
Okay. Yeah, I found the question. I got it right when I first took it. Stupid.
I missed both of those on my 6 and 7.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's frustrating.
Yeah.
That is kind of, I don't know, annoying too, I agree.
It is 19B.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yep.
How do you do 20? I think I missed this last.
You have that NP is greater than or equal to 10, and N times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. And you have to find which number satisfies both. I missed it last time too.
Wait, so how do you do that? Like, because I remember being completely clueless when it came to this question.
Do you have a good way to explain it, Grant?
Yeah, it's on lesson 16, number 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where was it? So it's the NP greater than or equal to 10, and then the N times 1 minus P greater than or equal to 10, right?
Yeah.
But it has to be a whole number, correct?
It will be. It will be a whole number. It wouldn't necessarily have.
When you do the first one, you do the 10 divided by the 0.8, because that's the P, and you get
Yeah.
12.5, but you can't round that number, right?
Well, it has nothing to do with that number because there would have been so much bigger. You have to satisfy both.
Okay.
So you have N times 1 minus P, so that they give you p, so you go n times 1 minus 4/5, which would be 0.2 or 1/5.
Mm-hmm.
So you're going 10 divided by 1/5, which gives you 50.
Which is the correct answer, right?
Yeah, which is the smallest number that would satisfy both.
150.
No,
Just 50.
50.
Oh, 50.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good. So basically, you're plugging p into the n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10, and then you're solving for n.
Yeah.
Oh.
I missed that the first time because I rounded. I did that first one, and I was like, well, I guess I could round it.
Well, there's no rule saying it has to be a whole number anyways.
Okay.
Okay. Still pretty dang confusing, but it kind of, the light bulb kind of went on. So thanks. Like I
See, one of the things I wrote in the course evaluation was the way this class is set up. If you miss something the first time, you're going to miss that exact same question again later on in the class because you don't get to go back and look at the stuff in time to where it's relevant anymore.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
These are all questions.
I think it'd be helpful if the instructor had like an hour class like recording video, so that like
But she does have she does have like an office hour thing though, but it's at a really inconvenient time.
it's when we're all working.
Well, I'm in classes during it.
Yeah, it's when we're in classes and working, so
Yeah.
it's like 10 a.m. or something.
Yeah, and I'm in the middle of physics, so
Yeah, priorities here. Physics is more important than stats. Okay.
what are we on, 21?
Yep.
Yeah.
I see what your brother said. You can't run this for a long time. They made big over-ear version of these this year. We came out with a bigger one. Okay, so did you guys do for 21?
I'm thinking it's B.
I get D. Because you have to satisfy the NP and the n times 1 minus p rules.
I don't like this. Was this one from a problem as well? Did you find this one?
Yeah. It's from lesson 16 also.
Lesson 16.
But so NP is just 40 times 0.233. And that doesn't equal 10. It's like 9.3. Which is why it wouldn't be satisfied.
I see.
I got that right in the homework as well. What the heck? I'm getting it right in the homework, and now I'm apparently forgetting it. Stupid.
Yeah.
So you have to do the p hat and the p value?
Only you have to do the NP and the n times 1 minus p. Those
Right,
both
but
those
it's
both have
just
to be greater than 10.
It's just a p value. You don't use the p hat because the p hat's the 250, correct? Or am I mixing those up?
Oh, because you're using the next season. Yeah, no, you use the normal. So
Oh.
you're just using the P.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So basically what it is both groups have to satisfy it, which your .25 would, but the .2, but your normal P doesn't, anyways.
Okay, that makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what you're talking about because I didn't even read that far into it.
Like I'm trying to. This is the flaw of not going through it all the way. I'm trying to rush through it as well. I don't think about it as I normally would.
Yeah, and the good thing is you have time to go back over them before the test next week, since test isn't up until Tuesday.
Oh.
Test opens Monday at 11:55 p.m. if anyone wants to take it at midnight.
Oh.
Tempted.
I did my last test, but that last test I started it at like 9:30 and went till like 11:30. It was a bad idea.
Oh, yeah, because that was right after our group meeting, yeah?
Yeah, it sucked.
Dude.
I did okay on it, but it was just hard to do it that late.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to do a D.
Yeah, 22.
Yeah.
22 is D.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$23 is the ridiculously weird z-score equation. It's the equation is z equals p hat minus p over the square root of p times 1 minus p over n.
Wait, say that after the divided by.
So it's divided by this, okay, and this entire thing is in square root. P times 1 minus p divided by n. It was from, that one was from lesson 16 also, actually,
Oh, okay.
if you just want to look on the lesson thing. I hate that equation though. There's so many like spots you can mess up with the calculator on it.
Uh-huh.
What's the
Yeah.
P hat?
P hat in this case.
Yeah.
You have to calculate it. So it's the 320 out of 750. You calculate it to a decimal.
Oh, right.
Then P is the .450.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see here.
Let's see.
Actually, I'm just gonna do the bottom part first.
That's what I always do on it, so I don't mess it up. I find a value for the bottom.
Yeah. 1 minus 0. How many samples were there?
750.
Correct. Just testing your reading skills. Okay.
Domain error. What?
That's why this is a stupid problem. It's like you mess one parenthesis up or something.
Okay. So,
Tanner, was your z-score negative 1.284?
Mine was negative 1.289, but it should give you the same answer.
Close enough, yeah.
And then you use that in your probability applet.
Yep. And we're
And this-
looking for
23.484 is the z-score, right?
What?
The 23.484?
No, you should end up getting like negative 1.28 as your z-score.
Hmm. What was the p-hat? 0.426
Yeah.
minus 0.450?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I didn't do. Okay.
And then it's just the left tail, right?
Oh, crap.
Yeah.
So did you get the awkward number to round? 0.100?
I put 0.099.
Yeah. Well, it's awkward because mine was 0.0996.
Oh no.
Mine is 0.0987.
Ah, yours is much easier.
So yeah, I put 0.099, and I've gotten it right previously doing that. So
Okay. 0.099.
0.099.
yeah.
Double nines, right?
That's what I
Yep.
got.
Okay.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah.
Okay. P equals 0.62. Okay.
Okay, 24.
I remember getting this question, and for some reason it was really confusing, but I can't remember why.
They're giving you the area of the right tail, and then just asking you what both tails is all they're asking.
So how do I solve for this one?
You take that 0.091 and you multiply it by 2 for both tails.
Oh.
Because they're giving you the area under the right tail, but they're asking for P does not equal 0.62, so that'd be the area under both tails.
Oh, so it's like a two-tailed thing.
Yeah. It's just a weird thing to ask.
Yeah. I remember getting this one wrong because I was like so confused.
Yeah, so you should end up getting 0.182, because it's just 0.091 times 2.
Okay. Yeah. My gosh. Dang it. I remember this one. I'm so happy that you helped me figure it out. I would have just blindly guessed. Okay.
I hate these questions. I missed this question.
25 was D.
It's F.
What the heck?
I missed this one. The reason it's F is because it isn't where it says it is known that the distribution of fertility levels is normal.
Ah!
By that, it doesn't matter what N you have.
You could have one N, and it would
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you know that the fertility levels of their species is normal.
Yeah, I missed that question too.
Yeah, that's a stupid one.
Yeah.
So basically, watch for the word normal on the.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm learning here.
26. 25 was C, right? 24. Sorry, 25 is F. 24 is C.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. 26. And study. A study.
Let's Let's see.
This is D.
Yeah. Because what is it?
It was the female. It was the
56
1 minus
times
28.
0.16,
Yeah. Yep.
which gives you 8.96.
Too low.
Huh. Are there 33 questions on this? Oh my gosh.
43.
Yeah. Let's all go jump off a cliff. Just kidding.
Well, the majority are multiple choice at least.
Yeah.
You're on out? Or
Yeah, there's a 31 through 38 is all based on the same study because that's basically what we did with the linear regression. And then after that it's all multiple choice. So basically we have like 8 questions that are actually based on this unit and the rest of it's based on the rest of the class.
hopefully that's not like the test, which it's going to be.
Yeah, which is dumb. I'm like, the linear regression stuff was the easy stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh well. 7:30.
Okay.
Is it C for 27?
No.
I was guessing C. Is it? Oh, wait a second.
It's B. I'm gonna have to find where it was though.
It's
Yeah.
B?
Yeah.
Ugh, now I really feel like you're making stuff up, but even though I know you're probably right.
This is what it is this is a dependent sample because it's like a pre-test post-test thing.
Oh.
And dependent samples are always is not equal to 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0.
Oh, okay.
Because you're not comparing like 2 different people.
Okay.
Wait, really?
Did you
Did
find
you
it
find
yet?
it yet, Tanner?
No. Oh, yeah. It's less than 19, number 10. But yeah, it's a dependent samples, like paired samples t-test, so it is B.
Yeah, missed it.
Yeah.
I missed it too.
Yeah.
Totally put C.
Man.
It's a good thing we're reviewing.
Yeah, but now we're on to question 28. These are the questions we can't look for an answer for because we don't have the answers yet for our last quizzes.
Oh, right.
Oh, jeez.
Biscuit. You follow prescribed edition. already forgot residual.
Yeah, residual means something other than what I think it means.
Difference between the observed value of y for a given x and the predicted value of y on the regression line for the same x.
So it's B, right?
Sure.
I'm pretty sure it's B.
B.
Actual weight loss was 5.5 pounds higher. So according to the review, yes, I would agree with that.
Okay.
Letter B.
For the study in question 30, the P1. The slope. Oh,
Yeah. That's what B1 is the slope.
I know. Why can't it just be that?
I think it's C, but I don't have a good explanation for this one. So if anyone else thinks it's something else.
Well, it's not the average weight loss. I don't think.
No. Because if it was if the average weight loss of all participants was 5 pounds, that'd be as if saying you had a straight line just going across all the way.
Right.
That'd be saying you have zero slope. And I don't think they were. Well, let's see. Volunteers. One group didn't exercise. One group did exercise. I don't know.
Right?
Alright, let's just go with C.
Yeah. I'm starting to get really tired, like you guys all probably are.
To the point where, like, screw it. Power through.
Seriously.
And as I say that, I have no motivation to do all the plots.
Neither do I.
Did you already do the plots, Tanner?
For what? Question 30?
Yeah.
You don't have to do plots. It's just asking you in general.
Which? Really?
Yeah. It's asking you. It's asking you in general which ones are fulfilled by the 3 plots.
Oh, okay. So they're not all. There's the residuals,
Yeah.
the linear relationship, and the
Yeah.
variance.
That's what I had. Because the x
Or-
values, we just have to assume they accurately measured them,
Yeah.
and the
Okay.
observations are independent. Is basically the same thing.
So just B, D, and E?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
That scared me. I saw those and I'm like, yep, I'm done.
Well, now's where you get to bust out the real stuff. This is the flight ticket thing.
Woo!
I'm so excited. Alright, direct flight costs. Let's download this data.
Wasn't this the same question from above?
It's the same data.
Well, like the same data? Sweet. And then I already have it in there.
Yeah. Now we're just doing linear regression on it. That's all that's different.
I wonder how long our test is going to be
It'll be the same number of questions.
as this.
Yeah, she said it'll be the same within 2 or 3 probably.
This is a long test.
Good thing we get 4 hours.
Oh, 4 hours?
That's what we've
Awesome.
always got.
I thought it was 3.
No.
Okay, I have to ask a question. I think I mixed up the numbers. Which was your X?
Doesn't matter when you're calculating R.
Okay, cool.
When you're calculating R, it gives you the same either way.
0.780?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 31 is 0.780.
Yep. Which I would call linear with a fairly strong positive association for 32. So
Line goes positive, direction is pretty... Okay, yeah, I got you.
well, yeah, plus your R would be negative if it was going negative.
Correct. Okay. Wait, so then my B value, is this going to be the same as well? If I did it the other way?
Oh, for these ones. Predict the price to take care of it.
Well, what's your B naught?
My B naught is 115.
Alright.
These ones actually won't be the same either way, though. I did it wrong the first time. I'm pretty sure.
So it's not 115 or it is 115?
It is 115. First time I did it, I got like negative 17.
Ah, sucker.
And we round to 3 decimals, so it'd be 115.640.
Yeah. My
One-
giveaway, 115.640.
And then B1, that's the y-intercept, right?
He wants the slope.
B1's a slope.
Oh, okay. I don't have my notes in front of me. B1 is the slope, so that would be
0.627.
Yeah.
okay.
And Grant, my giveaway that the other way was wrong is my y-intercept was negative $17.
Oh, that would make sense.
And I was like, well, you can't have negative money, so.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Predict the price listed 40 days before this based on the same play costing $200. So is your X $200?
That's
Well,
what
this is just where you put 200 into the table, and then you do the predicted values, unstandardized predicted values.
I got 241.04.
Yeah, I got 241.0 because it just wanted one decimal place.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you got it.
How did you get 241.04?
115.64.
Did you do it by hand?
Yeah, I did it by hand.
You can't do these by hand on the test.
Oh,
She-
okay.
She'll mark you wrong if you do them by hand. You always have to do it in the chart.
You will?
So you always have to, you put the number in, and then you go analyze, regression, linear, and you do that unstandardized predicted value thing.
Oh, right.
Because if you do it by hand, you get a different value.
So it's a 241.0.
Yeah. In this case, it works out, but in some of the other cases, it didn't. In some of like the homework quiz questions.
Okay.
%95 confidence interval.
So
Isn't it negative 4.431 and then 53.654?
Is not what I have. Here, let me do a confidence interval first. Did you just do?
You're just doing it for the slope, right? So it should be like point. It should be like pretty small, like our regular slope. Like it should be because mine was 0.518 to 0.735.
Yeah.
How do you do it then on?
On SPSS,
Yeah.
when you're doing that analyze the regression linear thing, you go to statistics, and there's a confidence interval check mark under that.
Got it.
And then you get 0.1 or 0.518 and 0.735.
Oh, that's tricky.
Mm. 36 is B.
Why is it B and not D?
Stupid symbols.
Oh.
Yeah, you're right. It's D. I didn't even look. I saw. I went down the list. I'm like, well, it's that one because it's B.
Yeah, and it's D because D is the population.
Yeah, good call. What happens? I want to try and get it done a little quicker, and I don't read everything.
We're almost done though.
Yeah.
It's true. Power through. Give the value of the test.
What did you guys get for your T? Your test statistic?
11.509. Or is it the other one?
Or is it 6.512?
I thought it was the slope, so then it would be the 11.510, right?
509, but
Whatever.
whatever yours gives you. Yeah.
It's close enough.
P-value is 0 either way.
Yeah, let's go with the 11.
Okay.
The p-value equals 0. Is it just 0 is 0.000?
Yeah, I think it'll give it to you either way, but
Okay, cool. So that's what I did last time. I was like, okay, I better not get this wrong.
so you reject the null because there is sufficient evidence.
Yep.
So see.
Oh, we love 39 through 43.
Oh yeah.
Over these with her.
Oh, yay, gonna end on bang.
Oh, no.
Why would they do this when clearly we're gonna be the most tired?
Right? You should be at the very beginning.
Look, there's
Okay.
11 different options. Or not 11, sorry. I'm
Right.
really tired.
Well, I'm like, there's only 9. She put Q for hers.
Okay.
Please say this is a one sample t-test.
That's what I say it is.
Oh,
That's what I was thinking.
gave us an easy one to begin with.
Oh, it gets even better. These ones weren't as bad as the last test, I don't think.
Engineering.
Which means the real test ones will be hard.
Right.
Exactly.
So they build your confidence up and then they smash it.
Yep.
So dramatic. I love it.
Yeah. That's exactly how it happened. You're like, yes, I own that, and then boom,
F. How'd I get that?
this crap. Okay.
Would this be A?
That's what I have.
Yeah, agreed.
Because they give you your sigma.
Yeah, standard deviation. As long as they give it to you, money.
Mm-hmm.
F.
That's what I have.
Why is it F? Because they say percentage, right?
Oh yeah, because they give a percentage.
Okay.
Okay.
Would this be G?
That's what I have. Because it's
Oh my
two
gosh.
percentages now.
This is
Grant's
crazy.
like, we know these.
I know.
Yeah, it's like we agree. Last week it was like, well, how do you figure that?
Yeah.
How many of those did you miss on the actual test, Grant?
I don't even know. I didn't have to review the test with you.
I only ended up missing one of them. I was like, yes, I'll take it.
Arguing with each other worked. Yeah, I don't know. I got an 88 on the last test.
Jeez,
Oh.
Grant, slacking.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously. You only got an 80? Psh, it's not
I've
like
steadily,
that I
I've
got.
steadily gotten worse by 4% every test.
Oh. Yeah, mine stayed a pretty solid 60.
Consistency.
I think I've gotten better every test.
Oh,
Like the
shut
first
up.
one. Let me look. No.
Mister, I have physics too, okay? Someone's good at math.
This is actually my lowest grade, this class.
You know, it's my lowest grade too.
It's my only grade.
Oh.
Your only class?
Yeah, because I did my internship.
Oh,
No
yeah.
wonder you have an A in this class.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
I should have been copying you all semester.
Should have.
Yeah.
I'm gonna not get an A out of the dumbest class I have.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I have like a 98% in my 400 level class. It's like, what?
5 seconds. That's pretty good. You have an A in 460.
460. I actually really like it. I think I'm gonna end up TAing it next semester.
What is that one for you guys?
Anatomy.
Oh.
It's a hard class. My cousin said it was the hardest on campus.
461's the hardest one on campus.
461. You're in anatomy. 461 is physiology, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Did you?
All right, so my
Okay,
wife
Me?
actually submitted her group meeting, her quiz before we did, if you haven't already submitted it. Oh, we didn't finish 43, did we?
No.
I think it's I.
That's
Yeah.
what I have. Okay, which one did we miss, Grant?
So don't submit it. The one that we missed was number 4.
That's the only one?
Yeah, everything else is right.
We didn't miss 4. Median will increase.
When she submitted it, she put median it will increase and it was wrong.
Then it's miskeyed because I have it on a previous one where it's right.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, let me look at it. Or what lesson is it?
Let me find it. So what's hers have it as?
It didn't show what the answer was. Well, maybe.
These should all. It doesn't show what the multiple choice answer is. They usually do.
It might have. I took a quick look at it and I saw that I was wrong and I didn't see it.
It's lesson 3.
Lesson 3.
It's the mean will increase.
Well, and that's the one he's saying she got marked wrong on.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go with it. It must be Miss Key.
I'm just making sure it's the exact same question.
Wait, it's not the exact. Hold up.
Yeah.
I have an option of retaking it.
That's talking about the mean. Our test is talking about the median.
Oh,
Oh no.
that's
Okay.
a trick there.
The mean will increase, but the median
That's tricky.
will stay the same, right?
Well, I'm thinking it's not possible because the median you have to have the 5. You have to have all the
Have
statistics
everything.
so you can do the 5-number summary.
Yeah.
I don't know about that though, because 21 is going to put it somewhere as like, yeah, I think you're probably right about that.
Here, I'll submit it next, and then we'll
D or
see.
D?
Was that the only one we missed though?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
said that was the only one we got wrong.
Good job, guys.
I know, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
we
no
did
group
have-
meeting.
Was
Next
that right,
week.
Grant?
Yep. So it's not possible.
Okay. I gotta like underline median like 18 times now.
Sweet.
tricky.
I gotta go, guys.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
This was our last meeting, guys.
Yeah, great job. Good luck on the test.
Yeah.
Everyone give each other a 100.